I've spent more money on TradingView indicators than my first car. I've downloaded Pine scripts from WhatsApp groups were definitely just fronts for Russian hackers. I've believed that adding more moving averages would somehow fix my personality disorders. And now? I'm about to show you FreeAlgo, AI Signals Platinum. My name is Forex, and I'm addicted to over-optimized indicators. Notice the AI in the name. That's how you know it's legitimate. Just like quantum and pro and elite. These are scientific terms that mean we added an if statement and called it machine learning. But here's the thing. This thing actually kind of works on the 1 minute time frame, which is basically financial guerrilla warfare, where your lifespan as a trader is shorter than a mayfly with a cocaine habit. This is algo. Let me break down what you're seeing, because the developer threw everything at the wall and somehow half of it stuck. First, the EMA energy feature. That's these 16. Simple moving averages ranging from 5 to 20 periods. Why 16? Because 15 wasn't enough and 17 would be ridiculous. Each one changes color, based on whether price is above or below it. Green means bullish, red means bearish. It's like a mood ring for your impending financial ruin. The code literally defines with this 2 code. That's not an algorithm. That's a for loop that someone unrolled manually because they don't trust computers to count. Then we've got channel balance. 4 Keltner channels with different multipliers, all smoothed with 50 period EMAs, creating this beautiful gradient from dark red to light red above price, and dark green to light green below. It's supposed to show you energy and momentum. What it actually shows is whether you've had too much coffee, because staring at this for more than 5 minutes will trigger a migraine that requires prescription medication. The core signal generator is a super trend with adjustable sensitivity. Low sensitivity uses a factor of 5, medium is 2.5, high is 2. Lower factor equals sign more signals, equals sign more commissions for your broker, equals sign faster path to selling plasma for trading capital. Alright, let's look at the actual entry logic. This is where the magic happens, or the tragedy. Depends on your risk management. Can be used on any pair, but my favorite is USD/Japanese, gold and stocks like S&P 500 and Nifty 50 index. Bullish signal, price crosses above the super trend line, AND closes above the 13 period SMA. Bearish signal, price crosses below the super trend line, AND closes below the 13 period SMA. It gives you buy and sell signals. You should mostly look for buys on the overbought zone and sell on the oversold zone for a stronger signal. That's it. That's the AI 2 conditions. A thermostat has more complex decision-making capabilities, but here's why it works on 1 minute. It's a trend-following filter on steroids. The super trend catches the momentum shift, and the SMA9 filter prevents you from buying every tiny wick that crosses the line. On higher timeframes, it's garbage. You'll get signaled into trades that take 3 days to resolve, by which point you've checked your phone 400 times. On 1 minute gold, the most emotionally abusive relationship in financial markets, this thing catches the micro trends. Perfect for this indicator. The 10 to 20 pip moves that happen when New York traders wake up angry and start smashing buy buttons. There's also an optional PESAR feature, parabolic stop and reverse, with acceleration factors of 0.02. This is included because apparently 16 SEMAs and 4 Keltner channels weren't enough visual noise. When enabled, it fills the space between the open-close average and the PESAR dots with color. It's like a heat map of your anxiety. Now let me show you how to install this indicator into your device. To download the file in the description. This contains the code needed for the system. Copy the code, open TradingView website, enter a pair, open Pine over here, go to new indicator, clear the dash and paste the code. Click to add to chart. Okay, you've loaded algo. This live's on 1 minute, not 5 minute. Definitely not 15 minute. And if you put this on a daily chart, you're a quant researcher with too much time. The 1 minute time frame works because gold moves 10 to 30 pips in micro trends. You're in and out before your emotional damage compounds. Your broker's spread is only 2 to 3 pips, not 20, but here's the math they don't tell you. If your broker charges 3 pips spread on gold and you're targeting 10 to 15 pip moves, you're giving away 30% of your profit before you even start. It's like going to a casino where the house takes your first 2 chips as a seating fee. Run this during London-New York overlap, 8 AM to 12 PM EST. That's when gold actually moves. Run it during Asian session, you'll get signals that go nowhere while you slowly lose your mind refreshing TradingView every 4 seconds. On 1 minute time frame with this indicator, you're trading noise. Beautiful, profitable noise, but still noise. So you risk 0.5% per trade, maximum. If you have $1,000, you risk $5. If that sounds boring, good. Trading should be boring. Excitement is what happens at casinos and car crashes. The indicator will give you 5-10 signals per day on average. Some days 20. If you take them all with proper sizing, and even if you win 55% of them with 1.51 risk/reward, you still make money. Alright, let's set this up properly. 1 minute time frame. Used it with its default settings and sensitivity. I ran it on low. Now look at the current signal. You see why I said USD Japanese was my favorite pair for this indicator? Caught a buy signal, gave me $800 in the bag, but I lost $235 when I had a sell signal because I wasn't there in time for the reverse signal. We got another buy on gold and let's hope and see if it will go our way. We're making profits along the way. I see we're losing momentum, so I will close the trade now. Pro tip: don't trade 1 minute before or after high impact news. The indicator will give you a perfect signal right before NFP that looks like free money, and then the spread widens to 50 pips and your stop loss becomes a suggestion rather than a rule. Now let's talk about why this works and why it will eventually stop working. The super trend is an ATR based trailing stock. It adapts to volatility. When gold is moving, the bands widen. When it's dead, they tighten. This works in trending markets. It dies in choppy markets. And gold, bless its chaotic heart, trends about 30% of the time and chops the other 70%. So you need a filter. The SMA 9 condition helps. It ensures you're trading with the short-term trend, not just random noise. But here's the dark secret. This indicator has a built-in survivorship bias. It looks amazing in backtests because the Keltner channel gradients and 16 SMAs create a "this is sophisticated" feeling that makes you trust it. Those auto trend lines, they use this code on every bar. They repaint. The support and resistance, with this code a 1 bar offset means they appear after the fact. This isn't necessarily malicious. It's how PineScript handles historical data. But it means backtests look better than reality. In live trading with slippage, spread, and my fat fingers clicking the wrong button, I managed with a 72% win rate, 1.2 profit factor. Still profitable. But not quit your job and buy a Lambo profitable. More like pay for your TradingView subscription and occasional therapy profitable. So, verdict time. Algo AI, you stand accused of impersonating artificial intelligence, visual assault with 16 moving averages, and fraudulent backtestery. How do you plead?
I am a sophisticated machine learning neural network quantum weight. Where are the lawyers?
Shut up.
My God, shut up. That mouth shut. Are you normal?
I called this case because this is personal. You will be defending yourself, and you know what? I brought my own lawyer.
Really, Your Honor? Is an introduction necessary?
I've run the backtests. I've seen your repainting pivot levels that move after the fact like a soccer player faking an injury. I've seen your Keltner channel gradients that serve absolutely no function except to hypnotize retail traders into thinking you have depth.
I was just trying to help people make money on 1-minute charts. It's hard. The market is noisy. I needed 16 SMs to feel safe.
Objection!
Your Honor, the people demand justice. This thing promised quantum computing and delivered a TI-84 calculator with self-esteem issues.
I have 99.65% win rate in back.
Shut up. No one is talking to you.
It's best to keep that mouth. No one is talking to you if you know what's good.
I've heard enough of this. I have reached a verdict. You are fine of having AI in the name when it's just math. Find a visual assault with 16 SMAs. Find of repainting elements that fool back testers, but not for being a complete scam. I hereby declare you. His thing works on 1-minute gold if you have discipline. Use proper sizing, except that 30% of signals will lose. Don't trade during news. Have a broker with tight spreads. It's a tool, not a magic money machine. Anyone selling it as passive income or financial freedom is lying to you, or lying to themselves, or both. The people that made this, they're trying to build a following. That's fine. But don't expect this indicator to fix your life. It won't fix your impulse control. It won't fix your revenge trading. It won't fix the fact that you check your phone at 3 AM to see if gold moved. I've shown you Algo, the rainbow puke indicator that actually kind of works on 1-minute charts. I've shown you the code, the simple, almost embarrassing logic behind the AI marketing. 2 conditions, super trend crossover plus SMA filter. I've shown you how to use it without becoming another statistic on a Forex scam forum. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment with the worst indicator you've ever bought, the most you've lost to guaranteed profit software. And you know me, I provide and over-deliver. I provided another indicator you can try out that has better features but for free. I need to know I'm not alone in this addiction. Subscribe if you want more honest, dark, technically accurate breakdowns of trading tools. No affiliate links. No, sign up for my course. Just a guy who's blown up enough accounts to know what actually works. And if you're the developer watching this, remove AI from the name. It's not AI, it's math. Beautiful, profitable, simple math. And that's okay. Math doesn't need to pretend to be smart. It just needs to work. I just got a sell signal. Gotta go see you in the next candle.